Yes, good morning, one and all. So, as in the last lecture, we have started the examples on the load carrying capacity, and today we are going to see the next example on load carrying capacity. Uh, that we have covered the one example on the uh, connection of the plate, and that plates are taking the tensile load or as a tension member. Okay, so today we will see the next example on the tension member, load carrying capacity of tension member. Okay, so we'll write down first uh, problem statement and then we will solve. Okay, so write down a single angle, a single angle, a single angle ISC 90 by 60 by 6 at 6.8 kg per meter. 6.8 kg per meter is connected to 8 mm thick gusset plate, 8 mm thick gusset plate at the ends with just minute. With four number of 20 mm diameter bolts, 20 mm diameter bolts to transfer the tension, design, determine the tensile strength, of angle section if the gusset plate is connected to the longer plate. Gusset plate is connected to the longer side of angle. Okay, this is the problem statement, and we can solve the example It means we have to find the load carrying capacity of that particular angle section. Okay, it means tensile strength we have to calculate. Okay, so we will draw the sketch first, or we will read once again the statement. A single angle ISA 90 by 60 by 6 at 6.8 kg per meter. It means that 90 by 60 by 6 angle section having the weight 6.8 kg per meter is connected to 8 mm thick gusset plate. Is connected to 8 mm thick gusset plate at the ends with 4 numbers of 20 mm diameter poles to transfer the tension. To determine the tensile strength of the angle section if the gusset plate is connected to longer side. It means the angle is connected to gusset plate by longer side. So here two sides of the angle is given. So which is the longer side of the out of these two? 90 by 60 by 6?
90.
90. It means this is the D depth of the section. This is the width of the section. So D is equal to 90 and W is equal to 60. Got it, everyone? So 90 by 60 is given. And so one more here, write down here sentence. Assume bolts are provided in one row. Assume bolts are provided in one row. So this is the your angle. This is the your gusset plate. So here by 4 volts, your connection is there. This is your tensile force. So these are the 4 volts. It means as per the problem statement, we are drawing here figure the 4 numbers of 20 mm diameter bolts, or we are writing in this way. Four numbers of 20 mm diameter, 4 numbers of bolt. This is the notation for the diameter. So in this way we can write. And this is the gusset plate. So by reading the problem statement, you can draw the sketch. So you have to draw the sketch how looks the your figure. This is the 6 mm. So this length will be the LC, which is required in your beta formula. Okay, so this way you have to draw the figure. So whatever data is given, by using the given data, we have draw the figure. So this is the your ISA 90 by 60 by 6. This is the angle, Indian standard angle 90 by 60 by 6. Okay. So now after this figure, so something data they have not given. So that is the assume assume Fy is equal to 250 Newton per mm square and Fu is equal to 410 Newton per mm square. So that data also they have not given. So whatever grade of steel we have to assume, that way you can assume. If you assume this is 440, then then the calculation of your individual will change. So don't so the calculation will be different for the each and every student if we assume this such uh, ultimate tensile strength Fu. So depends upon you, whichever is we have to or whatever we have to assume. Okay. Okay. So now we will go step by step. So step 1. So this is the one row. Are you getting? This is the one row only. If one more bolt line is there here, then two rows are there. Like way. So only one row is given. So step 1, write down. Calculate diameter of bolt hole, that is DH. Calculate diameter of bolt hole, that is DH. So how to calculate? DH is equal to D naught plus here 2, correct? So D naught is 20 plus 2 is equal to 22 mm is the diameter of bolt hole. Okay, have you drawn figure properly? So figure is very important. If you know the figure from the problem statement, how to draw the figure from problem statement, then you will easy to solve the example. Okay, shall I go next?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so go to step 2. Go to step 2. So now step 2, calculate net area of angle, because angle is given. So now here we will use the formula of beta. So we will calculate ANC and EGO. These are the two areas. Okay. Okay, so calculate net area. So we will use the formula of beta. So then we will calculate first ANC and AGO. Okay, so what is ANC? What is ANC? What is meaning of ANC? Net area of
connected leg.
So what formula we have to use? D minus N into DH minus T by 2 into T. Got it? D minus N into DH minus T by 2 into T. So this is the formula for calculation of net area of connected leg. So how much depth of angle? 90, correct? Minus N into DH. What is N here? N is equal to
1.
For angle section we have discussed lot. N is equal to number of rows. If number of rows given in problem statement, there is no problem. If they have not given, you have to assume how many number of rows are here, 1 or 2. So whatever you will assume, something data you have to assume. Whatever you will assume, then your problem will be changed. There is no this is the design or load carrying capacity calculations. This is not the proper values you have to given, and you have to follow the procedure. With the procedure, whatever you are assuming, and if you go by procedure, there will be the not wrong. नाहीतर तुम्ही म्हणाल सर मग हे आम्ही हे अज्युम केलं मग त्यांचं आन्सर वेगळं होईल, आमचं आन्सर वेगळं. दिस इज द सब्जेक्ट डिझाईन. डिझाईन मध्ये कुणाचं काहीही सेम नसतं. ज्या पद्धतीनं तुम्ही ज्या व्हॅल्यू घ्याल त्या स्ट्रेंथ साठी तुमचा मेंबर डिझाईन झालेला असतो. इफ यू अज्युम Fe440 स्टील, so what is FU? FU is 404 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वेअर. म्हणजे तुम्ही त्याची अल्टिमेट टेन्साइल स्ट्रेंथ किती घेतली होती? 440. सो दॅट सेक्शन यू आर टेकिंग फ्रॉम दी मार्केट. हा सेक्शन तुम्ही मार्केट मधून घेणार. कोणी 410चा घेतला सर, आता कॅल्क्युलेशन मध्ये 410 घेतल्यानंतर कॅल्क्युलेशन स्ट्रेंथ वेगळी येईल आणि 440 घेतल्यावर स्ट्रेंथ वेगळी येईल. म्हणजे इथं तुमचा मेंबर, इफ यू टेक दी 410 त्यावेळी तुमचा ISA 90/90/8 लागत असेल. त्याच वेळी तुम्ही 440 घेतला म्हणजे लोड कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी जास्त आली, त्या ठिकाणी तो ISA 90/60/8 लागत असेल. ओनली द रिडक्शन ऑफ एरिया, म्हणजे जास्त लोड घेतोय म्हणजे एरिया रिडक्शन होणार, कारण का एरियावरती तुमची स्ट्रेंथ डिपेंड आहे. किती एरियाचा सेक्शन तुम्ही यूज केला त्याच्यावरून तुमची स्ट्रेंथ डिपेंड आहे. त्यामुळे तुम्ही कोणत्या टाईपचा अजम्पशन्स करताय, कोणता ग्रेड ऑफ स्टील अज्युम करताय, त्याच्यावरून तुमचे कॅल्क्युलेशन चेंज होतील. बट फॉर दॅट लोड यू आर टेकिंग दी सेक्शन्स. त्यामुळं कुणाचंही काही चुकणार नाही इफ यू अज्युम सच grades of steel different. Got it? So you have to assume. So number of rows. So in the problem statement they have given n is equal to number of rows. As I told you, number of rows are how much? 1 into dh is 22 minus t, thickness of angle t, because we are calculating the area of angle. कशाचा एरिया काढतोय आपण? हा लक्षात घ्या काही गोष्टी. कॅल्क्युलेट नेट एरिया ANC. सो 90/1 into 22 minus t is the thickness of angle. How much thickness of angle is given in problem statement?
8.
6 or 8?
8.
6.
90/60/6 is given na angle section. 8 thickness is of कशाचे 8 thickness इथे दिलेला आहे, is connected to 8 mm thick गसेट प्लेट. थिकनेस गसेट प्लेटला अँगल कनेक्ट केलाय, म्हणजे एक प्लेट आहे त्या प्लेटला अँगल कनेक्ट केलाय. सो द thickness of plate is 8 mm and thickness of angle is 6 mm. So here you are calculating the area of angle. So you have to use the thickness of angle. Simple ahe. So 6. So how much?
390.
390 mm square. So this is the net area of angle section. If you skip this step and if you can calculate the same area, you can calculate the area from at directly in the step number 4, rupture of critical section. त्या ठिकाणी डबल. Okay. Okay, so now you can calculate the gross area. Okay, so what is formula for calculation of AGO? So for the AGO, W minus T/2 into T. So W is, it means width of outstanding leg, that is 60, minus T is 6 by 2 into 6. So how much that area?
342.
342.
342 mm square. So this is, in this way we can calculate the net area. Now step 3. We will go to step 3. What is step 3? Step 3 is calculate design strength. Calculate design strength due to yielding of cross section. Yielding of cross section. Yielding of cross section. Okay, so TDG is the formula, correct? So TDG is equal to AG into Fy divided by gamma m naught. Okay, so AG into Fy divided by gamma m naught. So now AG is the gross area. So how to calculate, or where from we can take the gross area? So gross area. So gross area we have to take from the steel table. So you know ISA, Indian Standard Angle Section 90 by 60 by 6 is given. So just you have to go in the steel table, and the AG gross area is directly given in the your IS code. So steel table. So you can go in the steel table. We have seen how to calculate or how to take the gross area from the your steel table. So you can go. This is the unequal angle section 90 by 60. It means this leg width is different, this leg width is different. So this is the unequal angle section. And when we say equal, if 90 by 90 is there, then it is the equal angle section. So you have to go unequal angle section, and there you can take the AG from the steel table. So AG is equal to how much? AG
11.37 centimeter square.
11.37 centimeter. It means it is in mm square. How much? 1137 mm square. Got it? Okay. So if just a minute. But I will show you the steel table. Okay, so you can see the steel table, whatever I have shared.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is our angle section? Which section is given? 90 by 60 by 6. So if you see here, this is the ISA 90 by 60 by 6. You can go, everyone please go on this particular steel table. I have told you many times, please take the printout of this, xerox of this. If you have not taken the xerox, you will be held responsible for your loss. If you do not find the how to find the areas, or how to find the CXX, other values, IXX, all the properties of this particular section is given. Thickness of angle section is given here, given cross sectional area. See here, whatever I have shared, you can see on the screen. Sectional area A is given in the centimeter square. It means 6 mm thickness is given, no?
Yes sir, 6 mm.
हा 6 आहे. तुम्ही मला
8 चा सांगितला सर चुकून.
8 चा सांगितलंय, तो 6 चा आहे बघा. हाऊ मच?
Yes sir,
8.65 centimeter.
65.
8.65 centimeter square meter. It means we have to multiply by 100.
865 mm square.
10 mm. 1 centimeter 10 mm. So here centimeter square is there. It means we have to multiply 10 by 10. It means 100 or 10 square. So if we multiply 100, it will be the 865 mm square. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
How to see the area from the steel table? Everyone got it? Here
Yes,
I
sir.
say 90 by 60 by 6 is given. So 90 by 60 by 6. So we have to take the area. That area is the 8.65 centimeter square. So we have to require in mm square. So if you multiply it by 100, it will be 865 mm square. Got it? Okay. So here the area is 865 mm square. So now write down TDG is equal to AG is 865 into FY 250 divided by gamma m naught
1.1.
Tell me this design strength due to yielding of cross section is how much?
196.
1996.59
59.
kilonewton. Got it, everyone? So this is the first design strength. Then second, next step we have to go step 4. Calculate design strength due to rupture of critical section, or we can call as a rupture of net section. Got it? Okay. So now here we will use the formula for angle, that is TDN is equal to, that formula is of a beta. So 0.9 ANC into FU divided by gamma M1 plus beta AGO into FY divided by gamma M0. So now ANC and AGO we have calculated. We have to calculate now here beta. So first we will calculate beta. So what is formula for beta? This ANC and AGO we have calculated in step 2. So we have to calculate the value of beta here. Unknown is only beta. FU is known, FY is known, gamma M1 is known, gamma M0 is known. So beta. So how to calculate value of beta? So beta is equal to 1.4 minus 0.076 Okay. So we have to calculate the value of beta. So beta is equal to 1.4 minus 0.076 into W by T into Fy upon Fu into Bs upon LC. It should be less than Fu into gamma m naught divided by Fy into gamma m1, and it should be greater than or equal to 0.7. So this we have to calculate. So now we will calculate here unknown first. Whatever unknowns are there, that we will see. So first unknown is here W. So W is equal to, what is W? As per we have seen in detail, what is W?
Width of leg.
Width of,
Outstanding leg.
so width of outstanding leg. Width of outstanding leg. Width of outstanding leg. So width of outstanding leg is a how much?
60.
60 mm. Okay. So now T, thickness of angle. How much thickness of angle? It will be 6 mm. So Fy is also known. Fy is 250 Newton per mm square. Fu is also known. Fu is a 410 Newton per mm square. Now very important is Bs. What is Bs?
Shear leg.
Shear lag, not a leg. Shear lag. So shear lag. How to calculate shear lag? So shear lag we can calculate by using the formula we have given. So here
W plus W1 minus T.
W plus W1 minus T. Good, correct? So here this is your bolt. This length is your 90. And here this is W1. This is W1. Okay. So now, so W1, and this will be the W. So how to calculate W? W1 is equal to how much?
0.6 into width of connected leg.
0.6 into width of connected leg. Width of connected leg. So 0.6 into width of connected leg is 90. So how much this? 54 mm, correct? Correct? This W1.
Yes, sir.
So now W is how much? Width of outstanding leg. So it will be the here 60. So 60 plus this 54 minus 6. So how much BS?
108.
108. We got the BS. Now next is the LC. So LC is equal to, as I told you, what is LC? So LC we can calculate. So this is nothing but LC. It is the center to center distance between end bolts. So this is the first bolt and this is the last bolt. Doon first and last bolt center to center distance is LC. So here, so how we can calculate? This is pitch, this is pitch, this is pitch. But till now we have not calculated pitch distance. So we have to calculate here pitch distance first. So pitch distance is equal to, what is pitch distance? How to calculate? What is formula for pitch distance?
2.5 into DH.
2.5 into D naught, not DH.
Yes, sir.
2.5 into d naught is 20, so it will be the 50 mm. And now edge distance. So edge distance is equal to how much?
1.5 into DH.
1.5 into dh. So 1.5 into dh is a 22. It will be 33 mm. Getting? Okay. So now calculate LC. So formula for calculation of LC is the, we have written number of pitch into pitch distance. If you go back where we have written this formula, so you will number of pitch. How many number of pitch? 1, 2 and 3. Are you getting? 4 number of bolt size म्हणजे 3 pitch आहे. So here 3 into pitch distance. How much we have calculated? 50. So here length LC is the 150 mm. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is the LC. So now how to calculate this distance? Addition of 3 pitch. So 3 into 50 I have done here. So 150 mm is the LC. Okay. So next. So now calculate beta. So 1.2.
इथंच राहिलंय मागचं.
Just a minute. Okay. Write down fast. Your exam is near to end of this month or next first week of January, and we are at chapter number 3. So when we will reach up to the 8.
Oh, sir.
Okay. So beta we have to calculate now. 1.4 minus 0.0676. Again, I will write this W by T minus Fy upon Fu into Bs upon Lc. It should be less than or equal to Fy into gamma M1 Fu into gamma M0 Fu into gamma M0 divided by Fy into gamma M1, and it should be 0.7. Okay, so now put the values. 1.4 minus 0.076. W is a 60 divided by 6 into Fy is a 250 divided by 14110 into Bs we have calculated 108 divided by Lc is 150. So how much this value? And this should be less than or equal to Fu into, it should be less, Fu is 410 into gamma M1 is 1.1 divided by Fy is 250 into 1.25, and it should be greater than or equal to 0.7. So tell me this first calculation, how much?
1.06.
1.066.
1.066. So now second calculation, this 410 in
1.44.
1.44, and third calculation is a 1.7. So is this less than 1.44 beta value? Is this less than? बरोबर आहे की नाही? Less than आहे की नाही?
Yes, sir. Yes.
हा, आणि this 1.44 is greater than 0.7.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, it means it is okay. So beta we got. So now we have to go the formula of TDN. So TDN is equal to 0.9 ANC into Fu divided by gamma M1 or M0?
M1.
M1 plus beta into AGO into Fy divided by gamma M0. So now 0.9 into ANC. How much ANC? Net area of connected lead
390.
390 into Fu is a 410 divided by gamma M0 is a 1.25 plus beta value we got 1.066 into AGO. How much AGO? Cross area of
342.
342 into Fy is a 250 divided by 1.1. So how much this TDN?
One 197.98. 197.98.
197.98 kilonewton is the design strain due to rupture of critical section. Got it? Or you are writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now go to the step 5. That is the calculate design strength. Calculate design strength due to rupture of critical section. Rupture of critical section. Sorry. We have calculated this.
Block shear certain.
Block shear. It means we have to calculate TDB1 and TDB2. Okay. So if I draw the sketch of block shear of angle section, so 4 bolts are there. So this. So this way your block will fail. Okay. Okay, so now this is your total D. This is your D minus W1. This is your thickness. So this is your pitch. This is your edge distance. So this is 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus edge distance 33. Okay, so now the formula is a TDB1 is equal to. So what is formula of TDB1? TDB1 is a AVG into
FY.
AVG into FY divided by under root of 3 gamma m naught plus 0.9 ATN into FU divided by gamma m1. This is one formula. And second formula of that is TDB2 is equal to ATG FY divided by something correct or wrong? TDB2 formula
0.9 into AVN.
0.9 into AVN into
Yes.
FU divided by under root of 3 gamma m1 plus
Gamma m0 is gamma
gamma m naught m1 है का m naught है?
m not
M1 आहे नंतर गॅमा एम नॉट
M1 आहे M1.
हाँ नंतर गॅमा तुमचा m naught आहे या ठिकाणी. Okay, this is gamma. So these are the two formulas are there. So for the calculation of block shear. So whichever is less out of TDB1 and TDB2, it will be the design strength of your block shear. Okay. So now we have to calculate these four unknowns: AVG, ATN, AVN, and ATG. That four we have to calculate it. Okay. So here we will calculate these four. First, AVG, cross area and shear. So as I told you, so these are your 4 bolts. Okay, so this is E, this is P, P, P. Okay, so these 3 pitch distance and okay, so calculate AVG. So what formula we have derived for the AVG? E plus N into P into
टी
P. So now E is a 33 plus N into P. What is N here?
Number of holes.
See, ज्या पुढची व्हॅल्यू काय बघायची? N into DH, N into P. त्याचं मिनिंग काय होतं? DH म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ होल्स आलं. DH ला मल्टिप्लाय केलं N म्हणजे N इज द नंबर ऑफ होल्स आलं. N into P केलं इट मीन्स व्हॉट? नंबर ऑफ पीच आलं.
Number of rows.
जे पुढचं नोटेशन आहे त्याचे नंबर्स आहेत पाठीमागे. येतं का लक्षात? ह्या गोष्टी बघा. ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड. जे पुढचं नोटेशन आहे त्याचा जी पाठीमागे एन आहे त्याचे नंबर्स आले. डीएच चे नंबर्स इथं आले, पीच चे नंबर. सो ऑलवेज एन इंटू पी म्हटलं की नंबर ऑफ पीच. एन इज द नंबर ऑफ पीच. So how many number of peach are there?
3.
3.
3.
Okay. 3 into peach distance is 50 into t is a 6. So how much? Please, if you have unmuted, please mute, and then if you have to talk with me, then unmute yourself. So how much this area?
1098.
1098.
1098. 1098. Correct? एवढा येतोय का? 33 plus 3 into 50
Sir.
into 6. Yes, sir. Ha. Any difficulty? Okay. Okay. So next is the AVN. We have calculated gross area and shear. Now we have to calculate net area and shear. So simple N E plus N into P minus what we have to deduct?
N into D.
N into DH into T. So here 33 plus again 3 into 50 minus now here what, how much N?
2.5.
Total how many bolts are there? 4. So as I told you, from this to this, so this is 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, and this half bolt. So here N is the 3.5. So this is the shear area your, and this is the tension area. म्हणजे अर्धा बोल्ट हा टेन्शन मध्ये जातोय. 3.5 volts are coming in the shear area. So 3.5 into 22 into 6. So how much this?
636.
636 mm square. So similarly, here I will calculate next area, that is ATG. ATG is equal to, again, what is the formula for ATG? Now ATG is the here I will draw it. So this is the your block. This is your tension zone. So this value is a D minus W1. This is the T, and here half bolt is there. It's half bolt. Okay, so now this is your area. So D minus W1 into T, correct?
Yes, sir.
So D minus D is your 90 minus W1 we have calculated. It is 54 into T is 6. So how much? Gross area?
216.
216 mm square. And now last area is the ATN. ATN. So ATN is again D minus W1 minus half into DH into T, correct? So 90 minus 54 into 0.5 into
D minus W1 minus DH into T असं फॉर्म्युला दिला आहे.
minus DH into T.
हा
N into DH दिला हो.
Yes, sir. N into DH.
N into DH आहे. तुम्ही
N is always 0.5.
here n is always 0.5 in this formula. कारण का इथला जो रिमेनिंग अर्धा बोल्ट आहे तो मी सांगितलं होतं की हा टेन्शन मध्ये जातो, इथं दाखवलाय आपण. टोटल 4 बोल्ट मधला हाफ बोल्ट इथं जो आहे हा टोटल होल तुमचा डायमीटर आहे. यातला हा बोल्ट मी डार्क केलेला बोल्ट आहे हा टेन्शन मध्ये जातोय. उरलेले 3.5 बोल्ट आहेत ते शिअर मध्ये येतात. सो n into dh I have written. So here n is half, अर्धा बोल्ट आहे. So 0.5 into 6. So how much this area?
150.
150
Yes, sir.
mm.
Yes, sir.
So these are the 4 area we got. Now we have to put the 4 areas, we will get the value. Okay, put these values again. So now, have you written or shall I go back again? Everyone has written this.
Yes, sir.
So this is the one tension zone and this is the your shear zone. So I have drawn the sketches properly. You should draw the sketches in this way, then you will get. So this subject you cannot learn for the only examination purpose. This because theory you will learn by reading once again, but these things you will not get if you miss this time. Okay. So now TDB1 is equal to. So AVG, how much AVG? 1098, correct? Fy is 250 divided by under root of 3 into gamma m1 is 1.1. So 0.9 into ATN. ATN, find where is ATN? 150, no? 150. So 150 into Fu is 250 divided by gamma m1 is 1.25. So how much this?
188.355.
188.355. Okay. So next is the TDB2. So TDB2 is
सर TDB च्या फॉर्म्युला मध्ये पहिल्यांदा FY आणि नंतर FU आहे.
हा सॉरी या ठिकाणी हे तुमचं
410 आहे ना.
410 पाहिजे.
410. हा. By using this 410 you have done calculations?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I think is this correct? 180. Okay, good. So 0.9 into AVN, no? So how much AVN?
636.
AVN is 636. So 636 into FU 140 divided by under root of 3 into 1.25 plus ATG. ATG how much? 216. So 216 into Fy is 250 divided by gamma m naught is 1.1. So how much this?
One 157.9486.
157.
157.48.
So here
486.
So design strength of block shear is design strength of block shear is equal to list of TDB1 and TDB2. So whichever is list 157.48, that is TDB2. Got it? या दोन्हीतली जी मिनिमम असेल ती डिझाईन स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ ब्लॉक शेअर असेल. Got it? Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, and last step, that is step number 6. Design strength of tension member is the list value of TDG, TDN and TDB. So here you have to write this value is only TDB because TDB. So whichever is less out of these three,
TDB.
TDB, that is how much? 157.48 kilonewton. So it means if your section will fail due to block shear if bolting is there, जर bolted connection असेल तर पहिल्यांदा सेक्शन तुमचा हा ब्लॉक शेअर मध्ये फेल होतो. So this much minimum load taken by this member. Are you getting? 157, it will be the minimum load will be taken by that particular member for the failure of block shear. So in the 188 for the rupture, and in the yielding it will take more load. So this is your design strength. Got it? Okay. So here our end of the problem.
सर आपल्याला क्वेश्चन मध्ये नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट दिले होते ना.
चालेल की मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट दिले
आपण
असतील.
अल्फाचा फॉर्म्युला यूज केला असं तर कॅल्क्युलेशन
चाललं
सोपे
असतं.
झाले असते.
ओके, चाललं असता आणखी आपलं कॅल्क्युलेशन लेस झाले असते. पण जरी तुम्हाला अल्फाचा फॉर्म्युला ऍक्च्युली हा डिझाईन मध्ये वापरायचा आपण, म्हणजे आता पुढचा टाइप असेल ना डिझाईनचा की जिथं लोड दिला असेल त्या ठिकाणी आपण अल्फाचा फॉर्म्युला वापरू. दोन्ही फॉर्म्युले वापरले तर चालतील, काहीच अडचण येणार नाही. बीटाचा वापरा अगर अल्फाचा वापरा, एकदा सेक्शन तुम्हाला माहित असेल दोन्ही फॉर्म्युले यूज करू शकता असं काही नाही. पण अल्फाच्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये लेस कॅल्क्युलेशन्स आहेत, शक्यतो आपण डिझाईन मध्ये वापरतो. म्हणजे जिथं ज्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये लोड दिलाय आणि लोड दिल्यानंतर कोणता सेक्शन बसवायचा बघूया आपण डिझाईन मध्ये. तुम्हाला मी सांगतो अल्फाचा फॉर्म्युला कसा वापरला जाणार आहे. ओके, या ठिकाणी आपला पहिला प्रॉब्लेम होता अँगलचा, मग इथे बीटाचा वापरला चालत होता, अल्फाचा वापरला तरी चालत होता, पण मी अल्फाचा वापरला. क्वेश्चनचं तुमच्या, पण मी तुम्हाला सांगितलंय की नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट दिले असेल तर ह्याचा फॉर्म्युला वापरला तर चालेल अल्फाचा, असं मी स्टेटमेंट लिहिलं होतं. करेक्ट? ऍज पर स्टेटमेंट यू आस्क मी, युअर क्वेश्चन इज करेक्ट. पण तुम्ही वापरला तर चालतोय दोन्ही. ओके, सो अल्फाचा फॉर्म्युला कधी वापरणार तेही आपण बघून त्यावेळी आणखी तुम्हाला रिव्हर्स डिस्कशन करू आपण. ओके
ओके सर.
ओके, so now go to next example, that is example number 3. So we'll go fast now, we become expert, so we'll go fast. So write down determine the design strength, determine the design strength of a single tension member Wait. Okay, wait. Determine the design strength of a tension member consist of two angles. It means two ISA 75 by 50 by 6 mm, which are provided either side of a 10 mm thick gusset plate. 10 mm thick gusset plate. Full stop. 20 mm diameter bolts. 20 mm diameter bolts are used. Sorry. Wait. Here we are taking the welded connection. Gusset plate. Full stop. Design, or we can write determine the design strength. Determine the design strength of member determine the design strength of the member is connected as shown in figure. By 5 mm weld. 5 mm weld to shorter leg. Full stop. Take Fy is equal to 250 Newton per mm square and Fu is equal to 410 Newton per mm square. So this is your problem statement. Okay, so now you can we can draw the figure. So they have told us the two ISA, it means two angle sections they have given. Two angle sections they have given, and that are connected both side of the gusset plate. So thickness of gusset plate is 10 mm they have given, and this is the your one angle section 75 by 50 by 6. Both are connected by, and welding is done at top and bottom. Welding is done at top and bottom. So if you see the angle, so like this they have weld. So at top 100 and at top 110 mm welding is there, and at bottom 230 mm welding is there. So here they have told us shorter leg is connected. It means, what is this depth? D is equal to how much? And this W is equal to how much? Tell me. This is your section.
50.
So D is equal to how much? See, shorter leg is connected. Here written
50.
that determine the design strength of member is connected as shown in figure by 5 mm weld to shorter leg. It means shorter leg is means this D is 50 and this is the 70. Are you getting? म्हणजे ज्याची डेप्थ कमी आहे तो 50 mm ची साइड ला वेल्डिंग केले, म्हणजे ती कनेक्टेड आहे प्लेटला. म्हणजे दिस साइड इज कनेक्टेड and this side is a outside. Got it? Okay. So have you calculated or written, drawn this?
No, sir. 1 minute, please.
So this is your gusset plate.
सर विड्थ 70 आहे का 75 आहे?
25 आहे ना सर?
हाँ 75 है.
तुम्ही 70 लिहिले.
कुठे?
W इक्वल टू.
हाँ good 70. Correct. This is 75. Okay. Shall I go next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now follow the procedure. So go one by one. So here welded connection is step 1. So in step 1, what we are doing here, calculating the diameter of bolt hole, but this step is applicable here. No, diameter of bolt hole is not, bolted connection is not there, so we cannot use this step. So we will jump to the direct second step, that is calculate net area. Are you getting? Calculate net area of angle. So again, we will use the formula of beta, because only alpha formula we are using for the bolt. So now ANC and AGO we have to calculate. ANC, again, what is the formula for welded connection for ANC? Have you written this formula? बोल्ट दिलेलीच नाहीत, मग आपण काय करणार? डायरेक्टली d मायनस t/2 इंटू टी, सिंपल. आणि या ठिकाणी w मायनस t/2 इंटू टी. या ठिकाणी n इंटू dh येणार नाही, कारण का? why this n into dh is not there?
Are not given.
Bolts are not given. So here d is a 50 minus t is a 8 mm, no? 8 is है का? तो 6 है.
6 mm.
6 है का? Okay. So 6/2 into 6. So how much net area?
282.
282.
282. So similarly, W is a 75 minus 6/2 into 6. So how much gross area?
432.
432.
450.
Huh? 4? Okay. So these are the two your areas. Now go to step 2. It means step 3 we have to calculate. So directly calculate design strength of the due to the yielding of gross section. So calculate design strength due to yielding of gross section. So TDG is equal to AG into Fy divided by gamma m naught. So how much AZ? So go to steel table. Which section we have given? So section is a 75 by 50 by 6, correct?
Age equal to 716.
So how much AG?
716.
716. Please everyone see this 716 into. Now I will not showing you. You have to find from the steel table. So 716 into Fy is 250 divided by gamma m naught is 1.1. So how much TDG?
162.72.
162.72. 162.72. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next step we have to go. Step number 3. Calculate design strength due to rupture of critical section. Rupture of critical section. So that is TDN. That is TDN. So 0.9 into ANC into FU divided by gamma m naught plus beta into AGO into FY divided by gamma m. Okay, so now we have to calculate beta here. So again, beta is 1.4 minus 0.076 into W by T into Fy divided by Fu into Bs divided by Lc. Okay, so again here, where W is equal to how much? Please tell me, what is this W?
75.
What is this W? Meaning of this W?
Width of outstanding leg.
Others, please, are you getting? W is the width of outstanding leg. So if you see this figure, which is the outstanding leg? This is your outstanding leg. This is your outstanding leg. And this is your connected leg. We have drawn the sketches properly when we are discussing about this particular. Okay. So W is the width of outstanding leg. So how much is 75? T, thickness is a, so thickness T is equal to
6
6 mm. Now Fy, Fu we know. So now we can calculate Bs. So how to calculate Bs?
Bs is equal to W.
W plus W1 minus.
W. Bs is equal to W.
Bs is equal to W when for the welded connection.
Dead connection.
This is for welded connection. So how much value of W again?
75.
W is again width of outstanding leg. As I shown you, please again draw this sketch. If such condition is there, so this is the W. So Bs is equal to W. So W हे जर असेल तर BS ची व्हॅल्यू W म्हणल्यावर काय असणार आहे? It is width of again width of outstanding leg, correct? So BS is W. Now here LC. So here ELC, you can write down ELC is here average. I think I have written no LC, where we have discussed the details regarding the beta formula
Yes, sir.
for welded connection. For
No
welded
sir,
connection.
only for pitch certain number of pitch into pitch distance दिलेला आहे.
Okay, so write down for welded connection here. LC is the average length of welding. So length of welding is given in problem statement. Are these given? The welding length of the weld length is given in problem statement in the figure at top and bottom. At top, length. I'm talking about length, not a thickness.
Sir, 5 mm welded to shorter leg. 5 mm welded to shorter leg.
No. That is the thick size of
Yes, sir.
weld. 5 mm size of weld is given. Length of
110
weld.
at top.
This is the
And
length.
bottom
110 at top
230.
and 230 at bottom. That is given, no?
Yes sir, yes.
That is the length of weld. Please don't. That 5 mm is the size of weld. आपण बघितलं एवढा मोठा चॅप्टर वेल्डेडचा. 5 mm ही साईज ऑफ वेल्ड आहे आणि ही तुमची लेंथ आहे. सो ऍव्हरेज लेंथ ऑफ वेल्ड म्हणजेच काय करावं लागेल बाबा तुम्हाला 110 प्लस 230 डिवायडेड बाय 2. आर यू गेटिंग?
170.
170. So they have told us only 2 sides we have weld. Okay. So so here this is for 2 sides. Here one side angle is connected, both angles are connected. It means 117 for one side, again 117 for second side, 230 for this side also and 230 for this side also. So keep in mind this. एका बाजूला 110 तसंच पलीकडच्या बाजूला पण 110 असणार आहे. या बाजूला बॉटमला 230 आहे तसं त्या बाजूला हे बॉटमला 230 आहे. प्लीज सी दिस फिगर. Okay. So now this one LC is for single side or double side?
Single side.
Single side. This is for single side only. लक्षात ठेवा. कारण का दोन आपल्याला देताना काय सांगितलं, एकाच गसेट प्लेटच्या बाजूला 2 सेक्शन आहेत, पण आता हा LC आहे तो सिंगल अँगल साठी आहे. ओके. So this is for single angle. इथं एवढंच लक्षात ठेवायचं. Okay. So we will go next now. So now calculate beta. 1.4 minus 0.076. W is 75 divided by 6 into Fy is 250 divided by Fu is 410. BS is 75 and LC is here 170. LC is 170. This is for single. Then how much this value?
1.144.
1.144. And it should be less than or equal to Fu into gamma m naught divided by Fy into gamma m1, correct? So this will be the 410 into 1.1 divided by 250 into 1.25. So how much this value?
1.44.
1.44. It should be less than or greater than 0.7. So is this correct? Beta value?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now put this value into formula for the rupture of critical section. So TDN is equal to 0.9 into ANC. How much ANC? ANC is
282.
282. We have calculated ANC in step 1. 282 and AGO is 432. 282 into Fu is 410 divided by gamma m naught is 1.25 plus beta value is 1.144. AGO is 432 into gamma Fu 250 divided by gamma m naught is 1.1. So how much this?
One 195.566.
195.66.
566.
195.566. 566. This is the design strength due to rupture of critical section. See, it means TDG is at TDG is a 162 and TDN is a 195. So we have solved two examples. We have solved two examples earlier. So there is a design strength due to rupture of critical section is less than the yielding of cross section in a bolted connection. So this is the welded connection. So in the welded connection, which strength is more?
Rupture of critical section is more. than
So
cross
rupture of
section.
critical section is more. Why? In the rupture of critical section, we are taking the net area. आणि ज्यावेळी आपण बोल्टेड कनेक्शन मध्ये हा नेट एरिया काढतो त्यावेळी काय होतं हो तुमचं रिडक्शन ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मेंबर. नेट एरिया ज्यावेळी बोल्ट मुळे नेट एरिया हा रिडक्शन होतो ऍट दॅट टाइम युअर TDN will be decreases. But in welded, you see, welded it will be increases. Ka? We have noted reduction of area. बरोबर आहे की नाही? Are you getting? So this increases. And in block shear also, what will happen? Who will tell me? Block shear मध्ये तर काय होईल welded connection ला? There is formation of block shear in welded connection?
No sir, there is no block shear.
बोल्टच नाही तर कसं ब्लॉक शेअर होणार? सो दिस ब्लॉक शेअर वी विल नॉट कॅल्क्युलेट. आपण ब्लॉक शेअर स्ट्रेंथ वेल्डेड मध्ये कॅल्क्युलेट करायची गरजच नाहीये. ही स्ट्रेंथ ह्यांच्या 4 पटीने जास्त असेल, 4 times मोर. सो नीड नॉट टू कॅल्क्युलेट केली नाही तरी चालेल, करायचीच नाही. वेल्डेड कनेक्शन मध्ये block shear strength we will not calculate. So here we will skip the block shear step and we will use the directly step 4 as a design strength of tension member. Design strength of tension member. So it is the list of now TDG and TDN only. येतंय का लक्षात? मी तुम्हाला मुद्दाम तो क्वेश्चन विचारला की ब्लॉक शियर मध्ये काय होईल वेल्डेड कनेक्शन असेल तर युअर आन्सर वॉज इट विल नॉट फेल ड्यू टू ब्लॉक शियर, कारण का बोल्टच नाही तर ब्लॉक फॉर्मच होणार नाही. सो इज दिस नीड टू कॅल्क्युलेट ब्लॉक शियर स्ट्रेंथ फॉर वेल्डेड कनेक्शन? गरज आहे का? मग नाही. जशी रप्चरची स्ट्रेंथ जास्त आली तशी तुमचे ब्लॉक शियर मध्ये सुद्धा स्ट्रेंथ ही जास्तच येणार, कारण का तिथं बोल्ट नाही त्यामुळे ब्लॉक आणि रप्चर फॉर्म होत नाही वेल्डेड मध्ये. वेल्डेड इतका स्ट्रॉंग जॉइंट आहे की येल्डिंग मध्ये लवकर फेल होतो. अँड बोल्टेड इज अ वीक फॉर रप्चर अँड ब्लॉक शियर. अर्लियर ब्लॉक शियर, देन रप्चर अँड देन येल्डिंग. इकडे उलट आहे, येल्डिंग, rupture and then block shear. So this is very important for your basic knowledge. येते का लक्षात? हे बेसिक नॉलेज साठी खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. बोल्टेड आणि वेल्डेड कनेक्शन असेल तर अर्लियर कोणतं फेल्युअर होतं, त्यानंतर कोणतं फेल्युअर होतं, आफ्टर दिस विच फेल्युअर विल देअर. सो एक्झॅक्टली रिव्हर्स इन दी बोल्टेड अँड वेल्डेड. आर यू गेटिंग? So which is list here? Which is list?
TDG.
How much that? 100 and
162.
162.72.
TDG किती आलेलं आहे?
162.72.
72 kilonewton. So this is your design strength. So in the welded, this will fail earlier. So actually, rupture or yielding, out of these two, first will fail. Block shear, there will not be happen block shear. Okay. Okay. So this is your example based on the welded connection. Okay. But one more thing here we have missed. Very important. Please come to the step 2. Please come to the step 2. Calculate design strength due to yielding of cross section. So this gross area we have used that 171,716. So this is the for single angle or double angle?
Single angle साठी sir.
So and we have used double angle. So we have to multiply here 2. आपण डबल अँगल यूज केलेत का नाही? एका गसेट प्लेटच्या बोथ साइडला 2 angles we have used. So this AG we have taken for one angle 716. So we have to multiply by 2. So how much this by multiply by 2?
325.44.
325.44. This is very important. म्हणजेच या टोटल जॉइंट ची स्ट्रेंथ किती आली आहे यील्डिंगला दोन अँगल वापरल्यामुळे 325.44. Please do these calculations. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. 325. Next, now go to here last. Here again, here we have to multiply by 2 for the TDN also. 2 angles are there, no? See, these are the 2 angles, correct? So this one angle, कारण का आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलेला एरिया कशासाठी केलता हा ANC आणि AGO एकच अँगलचा केला ना. जरी हा एरियाला 2 न मल्टिप्लाय केला असतं आपण बघा, आर यू गेटिंग? जर ह्या एरियाला 2 न मल्टिप्लाय केला असतं तर इथं मल्टिप्लाय 2 न करायची गरज पडली नसती. वाय वी आर मल्टिप्लाइंग बाय 2?
For double angle.
फॉर डबल अँगल. ऑल आर यू गेटिंग? दोन अँगल आहेत, एरिया कॅल्क्युलेट केला पण एकच अँगलचा, त्यामुळे इथं काही डबल केलं नव्हतं. दोन अँगल आहेत पण एरिया डबल दोन्ही अँगलचा करायला पाहिजे की नाही, कॅल्क्युलेट नाही केला, मग आपण एकाचाच केला. आणि ऍट दी एंडला लक्षात ठेवा, एवढंच लक्षात ठेवा की डबल अँगल असेल तर शेवटी जी काय तुमची जी स्ट्रेंथ येते त्या स्ट्रेंथला 2 न जस्ट मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. दॅट्स इट. बाकी काही करू नका. आलेल्या आन्सरला फक्त 2 न मल्टिप्लाय करायचं म्हणजे ती दोन्ही अँगल साठी स्ट्रेंथ. ओके. सो हाऊ मच दिस?
391.
391. So 391.13. 391.13. So it means here we have to correct this. So whichever is less, TDG. How much that? 325.44. So this is your design strength of the tension member. Got it, everyone? Okay. Okay, so I will give you two examples for homeworks. Please write down these two examples. Hmm? Hmm. Okay. Homework. Example number 1. Write down. A tension member of truss consists of two angles two angles 80 by 50 by 8 mm, two angles 80 by 50 by 8 mm, which are provided on either side of 10 mm thick gusset plate, 10 mm thick gusset plate, full stop, 20 mm diameter bolts are used in one row for connecting member to the gusset plate, full stop. Determine the design strength of member and also okay, up to here you can solve. Okay, so this is the your homework example number 1. One more example I will to give for you for the homework. Okay, one more example. Please write down. Write down. A tension member. A tension member consists of two ISA 90 by 90 by 8 mm connected back to back or either side. In for example number 1 here, either side we have written same. Back to back means same. Back to back with sorry, we will change this statement. Instead of back to back, we will connected same side of gusset plate, same side of gusset plate by 20 mm diameter, same side of gusset plate by 20 mm diameter bolts, by 20 mm diameter bolts. Full stop. Full stop. Calculate design tensile strength, design tensile strength design tensile strength if या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला दोन्ही प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स काढावे लागतील. कारण का नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स काढल्याशिवाय आपण एलसी काढू शकणार नाही, बरोबर आहे का? किंवा ब्लॉक शियर जो आहे आपला, ब्लॉक शियर मध्ये जे फेल्युअर होतं ते नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स किती आहेत त्याशिवाय ते आपल्याला समजत नाही. सो यू हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स. So wait, you can solve only one example, but how to calculate number of bolt, that I will tell you. एकच example solve करा. Within 5 minutes I will tell. Here write down also, determine the design strength of member and also calculate number of bolts. असं लिहा. Also calculate number of bolts. So how we can calculate number of bolts? So number of bolts is equal to, number of bolts कशासाठी लागते तुम्हाला? ब्लॉक शियर मध्ये तुम्ही किती नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स आहेत, 2 आहेत, 3 आहेत, 4 आहेत, कसं समजणार? ओके, सो रप्चरची स्ट्रेंथ कॅल्क्युलेट झाल्यानंतर तुम्ही नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट कॅल्क्युलेट करा. नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट इज इक्वल टू, फॉर्म्युला फॉर कॅल्क्युलेशन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट इज इक्वल टू so design strength list design strength लिस्ट डिझाईन स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ TDG और TDN दोन्हीतली जी कमी असेल डिवायडेड बाय divided by list design strength of bolt. Okay, so how to calculate list design strength of bolt? Unit number 2 मध्ये design strength of bolt कशी find out केली आपण? So we have to calculate number of bolt. So list design strength of TDG or TDN. It means what? TDG and TDN आपण calculate केला. त्याच्या दोन्हीपैकी जी लिस्ट आहे that divided by list design strength of bolt. So how we have calculated the design strength of bolt? Which are the design strength of the bolt? Shearing, correct? Bearing, correct?
Yes, sir.
And tension that we have seen. So out of these two, list design strength of bolt in shearing and bearing या दोन्ही पैकी जी मिनिमम असेल ती इथे घ्यायची. मग आता शेअरिंगची बेरिंगची कशी काढायची आता परत सांगत नाही मी आता. You have learned detail in unit number 2. So this you can calculate design strength of bolt in shearing or design strength of bolt in bearing. So here you know 20 mm diameter bolt is given. येते का लक्षात कसे नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स काढणार या जॉइंट साठी? नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स इज इक्वल टू काय फॉर्म्युला आहे बघा. नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स इज इक्वल टू लिस्ट डिझाईन स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ TDG or TDN. TDG is nothing but yielding of gross section and TDN is nothing but rupture of critical section. या दोन स्ट्रेंथ काढल्यानंतर नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स काढायचे.